Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Singapore business class lounges at Singapore Changi Airport. And this is the business class lounge at Terminal 2. And we'll also take a look at the business class lounge at Terminal 3. And there is definitely a clear winner between the two. It is fairly easy ride between the two terminals. I'll bring you along for that ride. Probably catch the walking directions after the two lounge reviews. But anyway, let's take a look at some of the food on offer here. The food will probably be similar between the two, but there is quite the difference between the two lounges in the size. And I would almost, not to give anything away, but I'd almost say one's more of a flagship lounge than the other one. Alright, we got, oh boy, keep me away from the desserts coming up here. And we got some hot food coming up. And we got some tea and coffee. I have a TWG tea here. And, sorry. I remember this from, oh boy, it's been quite a few years since I've been here. But they have oat milk, which is a real treat. Coffee machine. So you can even make your own oat lattes or whatever. Lots to drink here. We got soft drinks. Looks like we got some beer and juice. And, I think that ice cream. Chocolate, cherries by Forest, Madagascar, strawberry. Well, we have to try some of that ice cream before we head over to the other lounge. I always come with a little bit extra time. It's not too often I get into the business class lounge, which is a little bit nicer. So this is the smaller of the two lounges. Alright, let's actually no views of the tarmac or anything here. Okay, so let's pick it up in we'll head over to the Terminal 3 lounge. And stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll give you guys the walking directions between the two. Alright, let's take a wander in business class lounge. And, you know, this is even different. So I have been once since they renovated. This little section is new here. Oh, I got a barista. And this, I wonder if this section is just to have views of the tarmac and to give a little bit more space. So the gold lounge is behind that wall. It's a smaller lounge. Alright, so we got some food here. There's going to be a couple food stations in this lounge. Got some drinks over on the left. I should probably drop my bag down before I start doing this tour. So we can take a closer look. Let me wander over to the other side. And do that. This is the part I remember. So this part has all been renovated quite nicely. Lots of seating. Yeah, I remember this part now. Okay. And then seating with charging. Well, looks like these all have wireless charging too on the tables. So, yeah. Definitely, I highly recommend coming over here if you have some extra time before your flight. It is definitely nicer than the Terminal 2 lounge. Finish walking around here and then take a look at some of the food. Definitely less crowded as well. Oh, we got some views. Oh, there's an A380 landing. British Airways is coming in. I think this might even be where I sat last time. You can see some of the planes coming in. And got some tea in the middle here. Wi-Fi password is SKL, all uppercase, if you're here. Got some snacks. We got the chocolate oat milk. Coffee machine in the middle there. Showers, restrooms. And then we got more seating over here. Yeah, this is definitely a totally different layout than it used to be. Maybe about 5 years ago. I do kind of like these higher tables, and the wireless charging all over the place is handy. Although if you really need to charge up your phone, it's kind of slow. More quiet seating over here. Here's your Wi-Fi password. And some more. Oh, you can see the planes on this side too. Yeah. Yeah, these are seats are looking kind of comfortable. I like these tall chairs too. And a kids' room over there. Alright, let me drop my bag down maybe over here, and then we'll take a look at the food. Drinks on offer. I'll just park over here. Okay, let's start off with the drinks. Got some fruit infused water. Got some wine here. Juice. Soda. Tomato juice. And what do we, this looks like champagne. And some snacks. And looks like a noodle bar over here. Oh, pasta too. I'm gonna have to try some of that. Some dim sum here. Oh, and this must be the lasagna. Potatoes, got some rice. And some of the curries. And French fries. I haven't seen French fries in a while over here in Asia. You know, I haven't seen we got some dumplings. No, oh, sorry. Fried rice down there. I have not seen the ice cream yet. I'm sure it's here probably somewhere. Got more noodles over here. Oh, they got the last. I can't say it. It's macaroni and chicken broth. Ooh, that might be good. If they have spaghetti, they got it on display. Oh, here's the ice cream. Okay. have it pre-scooped. Some more desserts. Soba noodles. Lots of fruits over here. Some cheese. Oh, look at that. They even have sandwiches boxed up. Some of them for request. Some apples, ice. And some gluten-free treats. Muffins, chocolate muffins. Under there. Got some bread. Rolls. Sushi. And there's the ice cream again. Tea and coffee in the middle. And the food further down was pretty much the same. Let's just go for a wander back. Showers are down to the left if you need to book one of those. Yeah, some more good views here. I'm not sure. I think the other side has better views landing. Oh, no, we can see the runway here. Maybe I'll move over this side. We can get a view there. And then this is just kind of a continuation. Yeah, and then there's the bigger T station in the middle. You've got all the different TWGTs, which are really good. Sandwiches, juices. Oh, this is not on the other side. The donuts. What the food is all a bit different here. Chicken nuggets, fries. Wow, if you come here, definitely bring your appetite. We got. I don't even know where to start. What do I want to? Dumplings, and then there's the all the made-to-order items. All right, guys, I think that's going to wrap up the lounge. I would say Terminal 3 is definitely the winner. Stay tuned. I'll give you walking directions between the two lounges. Alright, let's go for a walk. We're at Terminal 2, leaving the SilverKris Singapore Airlines Lounge, Singapore Airport. And let's go for a walk over to Terminal 3 to check out the lounge over there. Singapore Airport's pretty awesome. They have all sorts of cool things to do and check out here. This is the Gold Lounge. So if you have Star Alliance Gold, flying in an economy class, you can get into that one. I was in there last trip. I think there's a video of that lounge on the channel. And let's see if we can find our way over to Terminal 3. We'll get on the short train ride over there. I think you can actually walk there if you wanted to, but it would take a little bit longer. Alright, you just gotta find out. I'm trying to remember which way. I've done this a few times between the terminals. Need to find our way over to Terminal 3. I think it's down this way. Yeah, I think I see signs for another. Is that Terminal 1 down there? Maybe Terminal 3 down here for the train. There's a right here if you want to grab a coffee or a snack. Starbucks over here on the right. And here's the garden we saw from above. Okay, SkyTrain to Terminal 3. We want the A gates out there. I think my flight's leaving from the D gates. Is that Terminal 1? No, I think it's like D24 or something like that. Okay. I'll record this in real time, guys, so you have an idea how long the walk is and the train ride. Let's head over to Terminal 3. SkyTrain Terminal 3. Oh, trains every 8 minutes. Oh. Well, that's not very often. Hopefully it's coming. Well, looks like we're okay. Coming in 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, good timing. One of these trains, I think, I forget which one. One of these trains actually goes through the Jewel, where the waterfall and everything is. Might be the Terminal 1 to 2 train. We'll see if it's the Terminal 2 to 3. I don't think so, though. Here's the train map. Actually, you know what? It could be this train, the 2. Oh, this will be kind of cool, then. This might be, I've never been on the train that goes through the Jewel, so I'll have to check that out. Might be a little bit of a bonus to this little adventure to check out the other lounge. Alright, train's coming in 2 minutes. We'll pick things up when it arrives here in 2 minutes. Alright, let's get on board the train, see if we can get a view. One of the windows here. Alright, here we go to Terminal 3. Get ready. We should be going through the Jewel. I have a feeling it's on the other side. Everybody's on the other side of the view. Let's switch over, guys. Scoot over to the other side here. The view seems better over there. Oh, and here we go into the Jewel. This is it. Alright, let's see what side has the better view. I think it actually does slow down and stop. There we go. Yeah, we're coming through. I see the trees. Oh, here we go. And you can see a bit of ball on the other side. And we're on the way to Terminal 3. We get to do that again on the way back. Terminal 1. Or sorry, back to Terminal 2. Getting all these terminals mixed up. Here's the Crown Plaza.
加坡也出了好几件事，一个是这个航班给我坏掉，还有一个。
Terminal 3, we are here. Grab my bag, I'm gonna go for a walk. Over to the lounge. Just got everybody coming into the train here. Before everybody gets out. Somebody on their phone there, not looking where they're going. Terminal 3. It doesn't say when the next one is, but anyway. Okay, A gates. We gotta look for the lounge. Hopefully the lounge is right here. Skytrains. You know, I've been here quite a few times. I should know roughly where. Okay, so there's the arrival. Alright, so it's gotta be down here. There's the B gates. We don't want the B gates, we want the A gates, so it must, yeah, it's probably just in the center section. That might even be it, up to the right, I think. Overall, not a bad ride. The only thing, if the train only runs every 8 minutes, just kind of keep that in mind. Here's the map, if you guys want to freeze frame on it. There's all the flights. And see some A gates down here. And we got, jeez, lots of people here driving carts, not looking where they're going. Alright, Butterfly Garden up there. Oh, I might even pop into there. I haven't been in there in a while. Let's head over to the lounge. Singapore Food Street up there. It's probably a food court. Sony, they still have Sony stores in Asia. They pretty much disappeared from North America. Oh, what is that robot thing marching around? Millionaire Experiences. Oh, there you go. New Porsche. Lounges. Okay, lounges are down here. Lounge. Singapore Lounge straight ahead. Some of the Party Pass lounges up the escalator there. Got some duty free. Lounges are, must be past the Louis Vuitton. Somewhere we gotta go upstairs. Did I miss? No, it must be the escalator down here. Yeah, here we go. Singapore Lounge, all right. Got the Gold Lounge and then the business class lounge up here. So, walking directions I'll add on to the end of the video, and we'll see how the time goes. I might even do the walking directions in the other direction. Back to Terminal 2. Okay, so here is the Gold Lounge. I remember that from a previous trip. So the Gold, oh yeah, it's got views of the tarmac here too, yeah. Last time I was in the Gold Lounge, I probably should have came over to this one. Definitely better than the Terminal 2 one. Here's the SATS Premier Lounge. And then Singapore SilverKris Business and First Class Lounge. Straight ahead down here. And it's a little bit of a walk from the train. Definitely worth it, as you will see. Alright, let's get checked in here. Alright, that wraps up a stay at the Singapore Business SilverKris Lounge. And let's head to the gate. We're leaving the lounge in Terminal 3. And we're kind of around the A gates here in the center of Terminal 3. So I'm heading to gate D41, which is kind of in between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. So we can either walk there, probably about 15 minutes, or we can take the SkyTrain Air train between terminals and either go to one. I was looking at the map. We can either go to 1 or 2 and have a shorter walk. Transfer B. I'm pretty sure this is, this is the way we want to go. Lots of shopping in the center of each terminal. Lots of food options, restaurants. Alright, SkyTrain to Terminal 1 straight ahead. Or we can also take the SkyTrain to Terminal 2. Whichever shows up first, I think I'll just jump on. And it's wrapping up the end of the weekend, so a little bit busier. Okay, SkyTrain Terminal 2 for the E gates. Terminal 1, well, it says it's on us to use the one for Terminal 1 for D30 to 49. That's going to be my preferred choice, but we'll see which train arrives first. Got the duty free over here. Alright, straight ahead for the SkyTrain. There's the sign. Alright, make sure we don't miss the sky trail. Oh, I can kind of see it in the distance there. Get some steps in after probably eating a little bit more than I should have at the lounge. The food was so good. Got another duty free over here. Alright, so trains are coming up to the right. We'll jump on there over to Terminal 1. Pretty sure we could actually keep walking. Go down about 10 minutes, then over about 5 minutes and get there. But let's get on one of the trains here, see how long it's going to take for those to arrive. See if we can. Oh, sorry, everybody. He's crowding around the map there. B gates are straight ahead down there. Alright. See when the SkyTrain Terminal 1 is coming up here. If we take the one to Terminal 2, we get to see the Jewel again. I see lots of people waiting for the Terminal 1 train, so probably coming up soon. Yeah, 1 minute. Perfect. We'll get on that. See when we can squeeze on here. Alright, Terminal 2 on the right, SkyTrain, and Terminal 1. It's approaching. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause recording here while we get on the train.
Please hold on to the handrails. We're now leaving the
recherche, je l'ai fait et là on capte tout le wifi. Bah après je pense que c'est ça, tu vois. Moi je fais ça, je vais faire en fait en premier en fait. Oui, oui. Ça doit être ça, je vois. C'est dans la pluie. C'est le centre. Oui, en plus, tu mets direct dedans. À ta vie.
See if we can get off the train here before everybody rushes on. Terminal 1, B gates to the left, and we went D gates down to the right. travel board, make sure I'm still at D41. Yeah, D41 gate open. All right, let's get rolling over there. D41 to the right. And I think, looking at the map, I don't think it was that far down. It says up to 14-minute walk. That's somebody coming through. Alright, I think we're going the right way here. See some D gates. Here's that matcha coffee shop, owned by the same company as TWGT. TWGT right next door. Some lounges. Up to the left, those look like One World lounges. And gates down here. Transit Hotel. I saw that on the map. The swimming pool is over here as well. I think there is a charge for that, though. This video, I think we kind of covered a little bit of Terminal 1, 2, and 3. And there is actually a video on the channel that covers Terminal 4 if you're curious, where I kind of go through all the One World lounges to find the best. Well, there's even a Popeye's chicken up there. D41. This, I think this is a little bit longer than if we would have taken the Terminal 2 train, but that's fine. Alright, I think, yeah, okay, to the left and right are the gates here. I'm looking at the map, and I think we're pretty close at the left. Might even be our plane straight ahead there, I can see in the distance. Transit Hotel, swimming pool to the right. D41 to the left, 40 to the right. Yeah, D41's right here, guys. So I think we'll start wrapping things up. I think that's my Singapore 787-10. Out the windows here. People lining up to go through the security at the gate. And yeah, that's the plane. I can see the Singapore Airlines on the side. So once you go through security, then you can wait inside here, and then I think boarding is about a half an hour before. Alright, yeah, I don't know why the plane's over here with all the one-world flights, but that's fine. Alright, I'm going to wrap everything up. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the 2 Singapore business lounges at Changi Airport here in Singapore. And a little bit of a walking tour at the end between the lounges and to the D gates in Terminal 1. Thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.